guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. I was going to film a bunch of costume try-ons today of costumes that I've previously, like I still have, and I could just like make out of my closet and share with you guys, but I think I'm gonna vlog today because I'm gonna be out and about anyway, and instead of rushing to do like a bunch of other things, I was like, just vlog. This lipstick kind of makes my teeth look yellow. And they're not yellow, they're pearly white. That's weird. Anyway, we'll see what this video turns into, and let's just go. So we're in a museum for our first adventure of the day, and it's cute because I feel like in the fall and the winter, like at least in New York, like museums are where you go to like stay warm because like literally what else can you do? It's freezing today for no reason whatsoever. It's like 40 something degrees. So we're just chilling. They have a beautiful like back patio, and we're just gonna go chill there, I think, after this. Ow. And I'll show you guys what's that. It's so cute here because the whole outside patio of the museum is so beautiful, and I'll show you that in a second, but they also decorated it with like fall and husks and corn, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like this is like the perfect fall day. Like, let's show ya. So we found the perfect Halloween jackpot. Look how cute. They have it all decorated, and it's like a really pretty museum because it's kind of like almost in a house, like a building. Like, I can't explain it. It's very cool. I'm like low-key having a I can't breathe. I'm like kind of having an anxiety attack, kind of like just literally can't breathe because they changed our idiot. They changed our mall, and I don't go to the mall because the mall like makes me twitch, like it makes me tweak out. I don't know why. It's something about being trapped in a place that's like really bright lit, and like there's so many people, and it's like there's no exits like where you need an exit. I don't know, that's just how I think. So I went through the food court entrance because I wanted this humongous bubble tea. So I go, oh my god, the light is so weird. So I go and I get this bubble tea, and and I'm so out of breath. I go in, I get the bubble tea, I wait like 10 minutes for it, and then I walk out of the mall. I'm like, yes, you made it. And I'm drinking my bubble tea, and she forgot to put bubbles in it. So I had to go back. And I'm like, oh my god, I had to face my fear twice. My biggest fear is the mall. Whatever. Still going ham on this bubble tea. But it's been a day already. So I don't know if I should make this a short vlog and end it here. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I kind of had a fun-filled day anyway. I hope all of you guys have a really good day, and I mean, anywho, if you guys like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram to get like more, you know, stuff about me, all about me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogoween. Bye!